Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ActiveCampaign CRM user access controls, complete guides. Start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select users. On the users page, click on the add user button to invite a new user. Fill in the new user's email address and name in the provided fields. Choose an appropriate role for the user from the drop-down list. Each role comes with predefined permissions, so select one that matches the user's responsibilities. To customize access, click on Advanced Permissions. Here you can enable or disable specific access controls based on the user's role. Review the available options, such as access to contacts, campaigns, and automations. Once you have configured the necessary permissions, click Add User to finish the setup. The invited user will receive an email with instructions to set their password and access the account. If you need to edit an existing user, return to the user's page. Click on the user's name to open their profile. From here, you can adjust their role or modify their permissions as needed. To delete a user, select the user from the list and click the Delete option. Confirm the deletion, and the user will no longer have access to the account. Regularly review user access and permissions to maintain security within your ActiveCampaign account. This ensures that each user only has access to the features and information necessary for their role. Keep your team's roles and permissions updated as your organization evolves. By following these steps, you can effectively manage user access controls in ActiveCampaign. This improves security and enhances collaborative productivity within your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.